Oh man, guys, it's a mess over here. I'm packing everything because I'm leaving like tomorrow. But I want to talk about something that I really need to talk about. So I just read a comment on YouTube, and these things get to me. So if you're the type of person watching my videos all the time and you put in the action, then I really appreciate. This is not going to be about you necessarily, but you can still take advice from the video anyway. So I read this comment on my channel on a video I posted a while back. Video's going to be linked below if you want to watch the video and stuff. That video was about how much capital you need to make a living trading. Really down to earth, the real numbers based on math and everything. A lot of people complain, a lot of people say, well, I don't have that kind of money, I cannot ever trade anymore. Or you crushed my dream to be a trader. And that's false. I didn't crush your dream. You crushed it with your mindset, with what you think. You think you cannot make that money ever, and you think you cannot accumulate money that you're gonna save up on the side to trade for a living. That's your fault, that's your mindset. And people don't realize that they limit themselves a lot in life. Like they set these limits that are kind of here when they could go all the way here and they don't realize it at all. Which is amazing me, and I want to do something about it. So instead of telling yourself that you cannot have $25,000 or $50,000 or whatever amount to trade, ask yourself, how can I get it? And I'll tell you guys, getting that kind of money when you have the skills you developed, whether it's going to be trading or some other fields, it's easy money. It's not hard to make. You could make this in a month if you have the skills you've built and you've progressed and you've grown. Of course, if you set the level where you are at right now, which is not making much money, possibly, then yeah, you won't make the money ever. But keep in mind you're a human and you have the potential to grow. And that's exactly what I want you guys to adopt. Not stay at the same place and complain that I'm fortunate because I've been able to get money to trade or whatever. No. I work for it, and I've developed the skills, and I put myself out there, and I've done things on the side to make my money grow and to save money from other things, and that is exactly what you should do. And this is easy money once you've built the things that you have to build to be able to get the money. There's a saying, and I'm not sure who said that exactly, but something like, when you become the person that can handle the money that you want, then you get it. It's pretty much automatic. You don't have to think, you don't have to work hard necessarily, you just become the person that get that type of money and that is valuable enough to get that type of money. And if you're not, then yeah, you can complain, but that won't really help. That won't help you to move forward. Only hard work will, only developing the skills, growing, becoming better, and making plans, planning for what exactly you want to have, planning for how you can get that money. And if you think that $25,000, $50,000, $100,000, $200,000 is a lot of money, then it's because the people around you are playing it really small. And you do not surround yourself with the right people, with people that play at a higher level, people that motivate you, inspire you to move forward. I found if you surround yourself with the right people, the people that are playing it big and that have big goals and that go toward their goals and reach them, you go much faster. And as one of my mentors says, if you want to become a millionaire, hang out with billionaires, you'll get there quicker. And that's exactly what I want for you guys, and you should put in the work. So rant over, I think I'm done with that topic, but hopefully that was helpful. You guys comment below your thought, and that's going to take a while to edit and stuff, but I want to hear your thoughts below, of course, because I probably won't sleep a lot tonight to edit that video. I'm heading to Playa del Carmen tomorrow, so there's going to be more cool stuff to come, and I'll catch you guys back here tomorrow. Ciao.